If you are looking for a natural way to nourish your hair and keep it soft and manageable, this recipe is for you. We will be using all natural ingredients packed with nutrients that are great for scalp health and hair retention. Make sure to watch till the end. I will be with you soon.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So in this video we are going to be using 2 tablespoons of cloves, 1 cup of moringa leaves, 1 cup of shea butter, and then a half cup of rosemary leaves. First, I'm starting with moringa leaves. Moringa leaf is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help strengthen the hair, reduce breakage, and promote healthy scalp. I went ahead and blended the dry moringa leaves into fine powder to make it easier to infuse into the oil. So once I got the fine consistency, I set up a frying pan on low heat and added about 1 cup of olive oil. Olive oil is great for moisture retention and helps penetrate the hair shaft, preventing dryness and breakage. So the next thing I did was to slowly add my moringa powder into the oil, stirring continuously to allow the nutrient to infuse properly. I kept stirring for about a minute to avoid burning, then remove it from the heat. Once I've taken it down from the heat, I allow this to cool for a while before sieving it. Once the oil is cool enough for me to transfer, I went ahead to sieve this. So to ensure a smooth clean oil, I double sieve this. So you can use your socks, you can use a fine strainer like this, you can use a wig cap, a clean one, not the one you've not used. That is what you can use to do, not the one you've already used. Just like this one you saw is a new one, so I use it to sieve this oil in order to remove any particles. So after that, I set it aside to use later. Now let's move to the shea butter mixture. Shea butter is one of the best natural ingredients for sealing moisture, softening hair, and reducing scalp irritation. It also helps prevent breakage by forming a protective barrier around the hair strands. Before melting the butter, I blended my dry rosemary leaves to release their essential properties. Rosemary is known for stimulating hair growth, improving circulation to the scalp, and strengthening hair follicles. I set that aside and move on to melting process. I place my shea butter in a bowl and use the double boiling method to gently melt it. If you're unfamiliar with this method, it simply involves placing a bowl over a pot of boiling water, allowing the indirect heat to melt the ingredients without burning them. So once the shea butter is in the bowl, I added my blended rosemary and clove powder. Cloves are great for preventing hair thinning, reducing scalp infection, and promoting blood circulation for faster growth. I let everything infuse together over low heat for a few minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even distribution. Once it's fully melted, I sieve this mixture again to remove any remaining particles. It's important to sieve properly so the final butter has a smooth creamy consistency, but here I allow a little particles because I wanted it to be in my butter. So after this is done, I transfer this butter into the fridge. That's why it became solid like this. I left it in the fridge for 2 hours. So it helps, the chilling help it to solidify slightly so that when we whip it later, we get a light fluffy texture instead of a heavy oil mixture. So now that I've whisked my shea butter, I start adding my moringa oil that we prepared earlier. I poured it into this shea butter, and then I continue mixing to ensure everything blended smoothly. At this stage, the butter started getting that soft creamy texture I was looking for. But to add its nourishing property, I added about 3 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil is a game changer for hair growth. It strengthens the roots, thickens the hair, and helps fight dandruff and dryness. After adding the castor oil, I continued blending until the butter became smooth and fluffy. If you prefer, you can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, which you saw me do earlier. It is optional, guys. It is optional. You can use it if you want. This helps to enhance the scent, okay, and extra benefits. So I personally love using either peppermint or lavender, but I use lavender in this video, so because they refresh the scalp and help with hair growth. So guys, once the butter is ready, I transferred it into a clean jar. You can use any jar of your choice. I use a glass jar, and look at how creamy this butter is. It's creamy and it's smooth. It melts instantly when applied, so it makes it perfect for sealing moisture into the hair and scalp. To show how moisturizing it is, I applied a little on my palm, and you can see how easily it absorbs into the skin. This means it will do the same for your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and well nourished without feeling greasy. So you can use this hair butter in multiple ways. It works great as a daily moisturizer, a sealant after applying a leave-in conditioner, or even as a scalp treatment for dry, flaky areas. A little goes a long way. You don't need to use too much at once. And that's it, guys. A simple, effective, and all natural moringa hair butter that you can easily make at home. This DIY is perfect for anyone looking to strengthen, hydrate, and grow their hair naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more hair care recipe and beauty tips. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.